Best air compressor for paint. In this video, we will show you the 6 best air compressor for paint. Product links are provided in the description box. Number 1. Craftsman Air Compressor. Rating, 4.7 out of 5. Weight, 32.5 pounds. Product specification. Including rubber feet. Provide strong power. High performance motor. High quality construction. The kit contains 13 accessories. Number 2. Porter Cable Air Compressor. Rating, 4.7 out of 5. Weight, 31.2 pounds. Product specification. Easy to carry. Longer tool runtime. Maintenance-free pump. High compressor performance. Low amp 120 V motor easily starts. Number 3. Dual Pancake Air Compressor. Rating, 4.6 out of 5. Weight, 30 pounds. Product specification. Highly effective. Lightweight and oil-free. With no noise pollution. Excellent cooling system. Even in cold weather, it starts up promptly. Number 4. California Air Tools 8010A Aluminum Tank Air Compressor. Rating, 4.6 out of 5. Weight, 37.25 pounds. Product specification. Quiet operation. Rust-free aluminum tank. Engineered for high performance. Heavy-duty cast iron pump and motor. It provides a constant, uninterrupted air supply. Number 5. Makita MAC 100Q Quiet Series. Rating, 4.7 out of 5. Weight, 27.6 pounds. Product specification. Durable construction. Soft rubber carrying handle. Easy to read pressure gauge. Oil-free pump for maintenance-free operation. Quick connect air hose for added convenience. Number 6. California Air Tools 10020C Air Compressor. Rating, 4.4 out of 5. Weight, 27.6 pounds. Product specification. Easy to move around. 10-gallon steel air tank. Less maintenance and costs. Up to 30% quieter than air compressors. For portability, steel air tank has a wheel kit.